It's about FEMA's readiness to respond to natural disasters following back-to-back hurricanes that slammed 7 southeast and Appalachian states earlier this fall.
And if you'll recall, misinformation about FEMA's response was widespread. House Republicans are angry a FEMA employee reportedly told workers to avoid homes of Donald Trump supporters during relief efforts. Mike Gooding has the latest.
Now, I know that this incident is on the minds of many members of this committee.
FEMA Administrator Deanne Criswell vowed to request an Inspector General investigation into orders that members of a FEMA survivor assistance team in Florida were given to avoid homes of Trump supporters during relief efforts for Hurricane Milton. Criswell made the commitment during her testimony today before the House Transportation and Infrastructure Committee, insisting that the order to avoid pro-Trump homes originated from a lone employee and were not part of a wider directive. Criswell said that manager has since been fired.
The actions that this employee took are unacceptable.
I know that, and you know that. We agree on that.
I would welcome an investigation by the IG.
But you haven't requested. Will you request one?
I will request one.
Thank you.
The issue arose during a hearing designed to examine how the agency performed in the aftermath of Hurricanes Milton and Helene. Between them, the storms did $170 billion worth of damage and caused the deaths of 230 people, 102 of them in North Carolina. Louisiana Republican Garrett Graves claimed that the Biden administration diverted FEMA funds to migrants instead of allocating them to hurricane-stricken areas.
And we're helping out citizens of other countries when we're not even meeting the fundamental needs of our own citizens. This really is an unacceptable situation.
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
It is important to note that rumor that the Biden administration was diverting FEMA money to migrants was debunked by several fact checkers. The top Customs and Border Protection official said absolutely not.